My name is Shawn O'Neale, winner of Master Chef Season 7 and author of My Modern American Table. Today I want to talk to you about UMAi Dry bags. You can make amazing charcuterie, dry fermented sausage, and dry aged steaks in your own home in your modern frost-free refrigerator. Here we have a large UMAi dry aging steak bag and a 5.5 pound ribeye. Place the ribeye in the bag and then we're gonna vacuum seal it shut. This is the vac mouse. This lets just enough moisture out and just enough oxygen in to circulate around the meat and make a beautiful dry aged piece of beef, an amazing piece of charcuterie, or a beautiful fermented dry aged sausage. In 3 to 5 days, you're looking for a bond to form. You want about 75% to 80% of the UMAi bag touching the surface of the meat. The UMAi Charcuterie Kit gives you everything you need to make beautiful capicola, pancetta, lonza, guanciale, prosciutto, everything right in your home kitchen. To make some amazing pancetta, add pink salt, curing salt, 3% regular salt, brown sugar, black pepper, bay leaf, chopped garlic, thyme, fresh grated nutmeg, and ground juniper berries. Make sure you stir this and coat it really well. You want to make sure to get that Instacure all over the meat. That way you have a nice firm pancetta. Throw your pork bellies in a bag, put in your refrigerator, and let cure for 2 weeks. The UMAi Dry Sausage Kit gives you everything you need to make slow, fermented, dried sausages in your very own fridge. All you gotta do is add Instacure and salt and you're good to go. Just add pink salt and kosher salt and you're ready to stuff this sausage. At this point, to be able to hang them in the cool, dark area, I like to separate the meat and go ahead and trim this off. So as you can see, making charcuterie, dry cured sausage, and even dry aged beef is easy at home with UMAi Dry bags. Go to www.drybagsteak.com and check it out.